Hello friends, today we are going to look on the decision making statements in Python. So in Python there are basically four types of decision making statements: if else, elif and if elif else. So first let's start with the if statement. The if statement is basically if the condition is true, then it is going to execute the statements. If condition is not true, then it is going to execute the rest of the code. Like for example, find out the absolute value of an input number. Absolute value is the always positive value. So let's go to our PyCharm and see. If in this we have taken first a number as an input, then if the value of a is less than 0, means it is negative, then we will change its sign to positive, like this. Let's run this code by pressing shift and F10 key. So first let's enter a number 5. It is going to be 5 because it's an absolute number. Let's run by typing -5 and it changes it to 5 as this code is getting executed due to the condition is true. So now let's look on the if else statement. If the condition is true, then it is going to execute the true part, and if the condition is false, then it is going to execute the false part. This is the if else statement, means it takes care of both true and false conditions. Now let's look at an example to find a number is even or odd. So first we take an input a number, then we will check if a mod 2 equals to 0, means basically if the a remainder is 0 or not. If its remainder is 0, then print even number, and if its remainder is something different, then print odd number. So let's run the code and let's type 5. It is showing odd number as the 5 is an odd number. Let's type some different. Let's type 8. It is showing 8 as an even number. So this is the if else statement in Python. So now let's look on the elif statement in Python. So elif statement basically allows you to check the multiple conditions. If condition A is false, then it allows to check the second condition. If second condition is false, then it allows to check the third condition. So let's look an example to find the largest among two numbers. Here we have taken the two numbers as an input, a and b. Then if a is greater than b, then it prints a is greater. Then if b greater than a, then b is greater. So let's run the code and type first number as 10 and second number as 20. So it is displaying that at 20 is greater. So now let's rerun the code and check 20 and 10. It is showing 20 is greater. This is basically the elif statement in Python. So now let's look on the if elif else statement. The if elif else statement is basically the multiple elif statement, just that the else part, if all the if elif condition get false, then the else part should be executed. This is basically the difference between elif if and if elif else statement. So we will continue the last problem, like take a number a and take a number b, then check whether the a is greater than b, print a is greater, and if b greater than a, then print b is greater. We will add one more condition like this. else both are equal. So now let's run the code. As we have already run the previous two conditions, let's check for the last one, the 10 and 10. It is showing both are equal. So this is basically our decision making statements in Python. So in this video we have learned if statement, if else statement, elif statement and if elif else statement. Thank you.